You know those first few days of spring? Warm air, fresh flowers, birds chirping? Well, in ancient Greece, that had everything to do with a kidnapping, a grieving mother, and 6 pomegranate seeds. This is the story of Persephone, the queen of spring, and the underworld. Once upon a myth, Persephone, daughter of Demeter, the goddess of the harvest, was walking through a sunny field, picking flowers. Then suddenly, the earth cracks open, and emerging from the shadows, Hades, god of the underworld, in a golden chariot pulled by black horses. He snatches the beautiful Persephone and disappears back underground, dragging her to the underworld. Why? Because Zeus told Hades he could marry her, but forgot to tell Persephone or anyone else back on Earth. Demeter is upset. She searches everywhere, but can't find her daughter. She's the goddess of the harvest, but now she's too heartbroken to let the crops grow. The fields wither, the trees die, and the earth grows cold. Winter is born. Finally, someone spills the ambrosia. They tell Demeter that Hades has taken Persephone and she is in the underworld. Demeter storms Olympus in a rage. Zeus panics, Demeter is angry, and the earth is dying from winter. He sends Hermes, the messenger god, down to the underworld with a deal. He orders Hades to return Persephone to Demeter and to the earth. Hades reluctantly agrees. However, there's a catch. Before she leaves, Hades gives Persephone 6 seeds of a pomegranate to eat. And in Greek mythology, if you eat food in the underworld, then you are bound to it. This is quite the dilemma. So Zeus offers a compromise. Since Persephone ate 6 pomegranate seeds, she will spend 6 months with Hades in the underworld and 6 months with her mother above. When she's above ground, spring and summer bloom. When she returns below, fall and winter take over. That's how the goddess of spring became the queen of the underworld. And that is how we got the 4 seasons. Balancing light and darkness, life and death, every single year. And honestly, she made it work. I'm the Greek Geek, making myths make sense. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.